wait, that's why I'm take too long for walk. Chastity, I walk from Chastity about 9 months, 8, 9 months, I could clock it. Chastity, I say her ABC. Chastity, I count to 10 at 1 fucking years old. What do I say? Mommy, see I start run up and down. That's crazy. And you want to talk about my child, bitch? Are you mad? Chastity is so fucking advanced. Chastity is so damn advanced for her age. Let's clock the tea. She maga, yes, but she not got a doctor every minute. Chastity is so fucking healthy. I'm gonna tell you our next thing with Chastity now. Yes, my baby, she very picky. Chastity not drink milk. Me have to know what me I give my baby for eat. You have some baby them super picky. You see certain things of a give Chastity some big weight and make she fat. Chastity don't want that. Chastity not drink milk. But my baby no maga, she a grow.